ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
That area, you know
Nice.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like, Jesus is a prophet of
That's
Muhammad.
true.
Muhammad is a
Muhammad's a
prophet.
prophet. Moses is a
Everybody's
prophet.
yeah.
How do
So,
you like that? That makes sense, right?
I mean, my big thing is like trying to figure out why everything's split up. I mean, I understand
Yeah.
the sons are like different and stuff, but that
Well,
shouldn't be something to fight about.
I agree, but that's the thing. As Muslims, we don't mock Jesus, we don't mock Moses, but you see some people trying to make pictures of the Prophet Muhammad to mock him or burn the Quran, as you saw in Europe, right? So it's those people that try to instigate those kind of things. But we as Muslims, we love Abraham, we love Moses, we love Jesus, we love Muhammad, peace be upon them. We believe they were all true prophets. We bring it together as one message, right? Doesn't that make sense?
Yeah. No, it makes sense.
Yeah. So you believe in one God? There you go.
I believe
Me
that
too.
everybody's entitled to believe what they want to believe.
Right, but what's your belief as a person?
My belief is that we shouldn't fight about any of this.
No fighting. I got you. But you believe there is a creator.
Still trying to figure that out.
All right, well, let's talk about that.
No, I don't need to.
You good? All right, read.
I spent a good portion of my life getting out of that.
No, but that's probably Christianity, I'm assuming, right?
No. It wasn't even that. Like,
Really?
I was young enough to study. My grandpa was a Buddhist monk.
Okay.
My family is all Catholic.
Yeah, so there you go.
So
Yeah.
I always wanted to study everybody.
Right,
Their idea.
but that's a beautiful thing, is Islam will give you those answers that we found sometimes problematic in the Catholic Church or the Buddhist doctrine and so on, right?
Buddhist doctrine is a little easier to follow.
It is, yeah,
Be
but
cool to each other. you know?
right, but it doesn't really give you purpose of life. It doesn't give you where you came from, who God is.
Generally, like your purpose should be the best person you can be because you don't have that much time.
Right, but think about that. What does it mean to be good, right? Like, for example, if somebody aborts babies, somebody could say it's a murderer, somebody says that's their right. So how do you know right from wrong?
The right and wrong is if I was aborted, I wouldn't be here.
Right, exactly.
But at the
So
same
then
time,
you
if
would
somebody
feel,
needs, you have to a chance that a child might live and the mother's gonna die. or
okay, yeah, makes
The
sense.
mother is gonna live because you get rid of the child because the child's gonna die anyway.
I agree with you.
Then you should have
I'm
an
with you. But there are people who would say that if I just want to have abortion because I want to have it, it's my right.
Sure.
So are they doing good by aborting a perfectly fine fetus that could have
I'm
been
not
you?
in charge of other people.
Exactly, right? But this is why Islam gives you those answers of right and wrong, because we have divine revelation,
I
right?
feel like because there's enough gray area,
Yeah.
there'll never be one full right, one full wrong.
Right, but let's talk about that, right? Like, for example, you're standing here.
Yeah.
That's an objective truth, right? And if I said you're not standing here, that would be an objective lie, right? So there are clear rights and wrongs, right? So now, when we say
But
that,
that's in a very temporal sense, right?
right, of course.
But in the moral sense, it's really hard.
Sure, so let's talk about morality, right? So if we were to say that I'm just gonna kill this man for no reason, walk up and kill him. I think through divine text and through morality, we would know that's wrong, right? But then when you get the gray areas, when you have divine text from the Creator that created us, that will give us the answers.
I think my friends just left me.
All right, no problem. Read the Quran, alaikum, and come back.
I stumbled onto your channel, about 8 months ago, just out of nowhere on YouTube, and I started watching you. And I come from an Orthodox Christian family, and of course, I'm Hispanic, and I'm from Nicaragua, as a matter of fact. So very very Christian. So, but when I started watching your videos, Brother Uthman, I felt your message. I felt the message of Allah from the Quran. I ended up picking up a Quran, and I've been reading it. I'm participating in Ramadan right now. I'm doing my obligatory prayers. Man, I'm listening to I stopped listening to hip hop and rap. I'm only listening to Islam music right now. I'm trying to read every single night. I'm watching.
Where are you at? Where are you in the U.S.?
Yeah, I'm in California, bro. I'm in
where at?
You know where Lakewood is? It's kind of like by Long Beach area.
Yeah, I know, by LA.
Yeah. So I stay right here. Yeah, I've been over here for a while. Yeah, but yeah, man, I stumbled onto you, and honestly, you changed my life, man. You've changed my life with your videos, and No, all praise be to Allah that, you know, I'm shaking, man. I'm
That's
more than
amazing, man.
happy. I feel like this is the best day of my life to take my shahada and you know the privilege to do it with you. It's an honor.
Allahu Akbar. Allah, it's a pleasure
Allahu
for me,
Akbar.
man. You know, it's amazing. You know, when we go out and give da'wah, a lot of times it's just a lot of headache, a lot of stress, you know, people trying to argue and all that. But it's brothers
Yes,
like you who watch the videos and Allah guides them through the videos that makes it all worthwhile, man.
Allahu Akbar, brother. You don't understand, man. Like I have a very I have like a I don't know like my story is kind of interesting. You know,
Tell me about it.
I was addicted to like drugs and pills, you know, for years and years, and you know, like I even like at one point I didn't even believe in God, man, and you know, I ended up catching cases and all this and that.
Yeah.
And Alhamdulillah, bro, my life has changed, and that's all praise to
Alhamdulillah.
Allah. Allahu Akbar, my life has changed, and it's for the better.
Alhamdulillah.
And I feel like this is the beginning of my life. And you
No,
know,
inshallah, man. Now you're going to be a da'i, man. You're going to be a caller towards Islam. You're going to be taking your neighborhood and the barrio out of all that stuff and
inshallah,
getting it to Islam, inshallah, man. We're going to
inshallah,
come up
bro.
there, man. We're going to come up there to LA, man. We'll go do some da'wah with you.
Man, I would love that. That would make me happy. That would make me so happy. That I would love to meet you, man.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. It's a pleasure, man. So
Pleasure.
you have already watched the videos. You already know about Islam.
Yeah, man.
You're already fasting, mashallah. You're already praying.
I'm fasting, everything, dry fasting. The thing is, I didn't know that you couldn't drink water.
Yeah.
So today is my first official day, like just dry fasting, no water, nothing.
Yeah.
So you know, I'm still gonna supplement those few days that I missed and I didn't do properly. I'm gonna do them afterwards because I want to do it, you know.
Mashallah.
And mashallah, and I'm doing my 5 obligatory prayers and more. You know,
Nice.
I'm doing my I read that you have to do the wudu, so I'm doing my wudu before I pray. You know what I mean?
I got a video on how to do the wudu and how to pray. I'll send them to you, inshallah. My son will send them to Yusuf. So
perfect.
It can kind of be a guide for you. Yeah, man. So that's really cool, man. I like your story, man. You know, I'm sure you've seen mine. So, you know, I got a past as well. And alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed me with Islam and guided me away from all that nonsense that I was caught up in. And alhamdulillah that Allah guided you. And the fact that, alhamdulillah, our videos were a part of that, that really makes me happy, man.
Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, brother. You don't understand how much you have changed my life. And I honestly, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And it's an honor to do my shahada with you. And I thank you, brother.
Alhamdulillah. All right, so let's do it, man. Arabic first or English first?
Whichever. Let's do English first.
All right. I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is none worthy of worship.
That there is none worthy of worship.
Except Allah.
Except Allah.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That Muhammad.
That Muhammad.
Is the servant.
Is his servant.
And his messenger.
And his messenger.
Allahu Akbar. You're Muslim.
Allahu Akbar.
I got goosebumps right now, man.
I got goosebumps
every
too,
time.
man.
That's amazing, man. It's the best day of your life, bro. This is the day you're fresh, man. All those, the past, the sins, the whatever stress, whatever you went through is gone. You're like a fresh born baby. It's all new now. Allah has blessed you with this. This is such an amazing thing because many people go through life and they never recognize what's the purpose of their creation. They never realize what's the purpose of life.
Exactly.
When Allah guided you to this purpose, that's better than $1 billion. That's better than all the fame and money and popularity. Alhamdulillah. Because all that stuff fades, man. But this is what goes with you to the hereafter, bro.
That's how it is, my man. Exactly.
This is amazing. Yeah, man. Alhamdulillah. Allah, I'm emotional right now, man. This is an amazing day for me and you, man.
Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar, brother. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So yeah, you're our brother, man. Anything you need, we got you. And inshallah, like you said, man, now keep taking it step by step, man. Don't overwhelm yourself, but keep learning on the Quran and the Sunnah, the way of the Salaf al-Ummah, the right way. You know, this is the way, the guidance from all the different prophets. Alhamdulillah, you're doing what you were created for. You fulfill the purpose of your creation. Now you just gotta stay on it, man.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah, you're in touch with my son Yusuf, so we'll be in touch. And we'll come up to LA, inshallah. One of these weekends, we're going to come up, do some da'wah, we'll pick you up, inshallah. Do some
Inshallah,
da'wah
I would
together.
love that, brother. I would
Inshallah,
love that.
inshallah. Hey, any questions you have?
Did you still want to do the in Arabic? Or just
Yeah, you ready? No, we're
yeah,
ready,
yeah.
ready. I'm just
Yeah.
want to make sure you're good. So any other
I'm
questions
ready.
you have? All
No,
right.
I'm ready. I'm just sorry I'm getting emotional, man.
No, that's good, man. I'm emotional too. This is an emotional moment, man. You should be emotional. It's the
Alhamdulillah,
beginning
brother.
of a new life, man.
Alhamdulillah.
All right. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
al
al
la
la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammada
Muhammada
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu
That's
Akbar.
it. You said that
man.
amazing, man. That was amazing.
From the bottom of my heart.
You,
I want to learn
Alhamdulillah.
Arabic. I want to learn Arabic. That's one of my goals right now.
I got you, man. We got a playlist on Arabic grammar. I'm gonna have my son send it to you. We're gonna have some free
Alhamdulillah,
classes
brother.
for
Thank you.
Whatever
Thank
you need, man. We're your brothers, man. You got like 1.8 billion brothers and sisters out there in the world now.
Man,
out there in Lakeside, they got a
man,
masjid out there too.
I've just in these few days, you know, like just like getting into the community, and just for me, commenting on, you know, on one of those pages of the Gems of Shaykh Uthman, I think it was. You know, some brothers hit me up through Instagram on there. As a matter of fact, one of the brothers, his name is Muhammad. Shout out to him. He actually bought me. I forgot the proper name of it. You know, the cloth that you wear. So like.
Yeah, thobe.
Yeah, exactly. So he actually bought one for me on Amazon.
Nice.
It's gonna be shipped to me, man. So, you know, praise be to him. And, you know what I mean? So it's just I feel welcomed with open arms, and you know, I already looked up a mosque near me, so I'm gonna go for sure this week.
Nice. Alhamdulillah, you're our brother, man. Whatever you need, we got you, man.
Allahu Akbar, brother. Thank you.
For sure, inshallah. Like I said, I mean, keep up with my son. So anything you need, any questions you have, he's your contact. You know, that's what he does. He keeps up with everybody that becomes Muslim. So
thank you, brother.
Whatever you need, we got you. And inshallah, I'll bring you a special gift, man.
Inshallah, brother.
I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet.
Man. I love you, bro. From the bottom of my heart, thank you dearly.
I love you too, man. Allah keep you and protect you and keep us, protect us. And inshallah, we'll be in touch, yeah?
Thank you, brother. You have a blessed night. Take care.
All right, man. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye-bye. Salam alaikum.
آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية